Let's practice recording of purchases, accounts payable, and early payment discounts. Before we start, subscribe to our channel for more videos.
We will analyze given financial data, which will include transactions related to purchases, accounts payable, and early payment discounts. The task is to prepare the journal entries for the given transactions. The company uses a periodic inventory system and the gross method for purchase discounts.
First, let's revise certain theory points, which are needed to solve the given practical problem. Let's start from revising. What is periodic inventory system? First, it has no continuous tracking. Inventory levels are not updated after each sale or purchase. Second, physical count required. A physical inventory count is performed at the end of the period to determine ending inventory.
The following accounts are used to record transactions. Purchases. This account is used to record buying of merchandise. Purchase returns and allowances account used to record goods returned to suppliers. Purchase discounts account is used to record early payment discounts. Freight in account is used to record transportation costs on purchases.
Next, let's check, what is gross method for purchase discounts? It is a way of recording purchases made on credit when a cash discount is offered for early payment. Under this method, purchases are initially recorded at the full, gross, invoice amount, without considering the discount. If payment is made within the discount period, the discount is recognized later, when the payment occurs.
Let's also check how to understand terms of discounts for early payments. Early payment discount means that if payment is done earlier, within discount period, the payment is decreased by the discount amount. Here you see discount term. 2 out of 10, N/30. 2 is discount percentage. 10 is discount period in days. Payment must be done within 10 days in order to get a discount. 30 is normal payment period in days. These terms mean that if payment is within 10 days, the buyer gets 2% discount. In case payment is done within 30 days, all amount must be paid.
Now, let's practice and record transactions. On August 5th, the company purchased $80,000 of inventory. The purchase was done based on the following terms. 2 out of 10, N/30. FOB shipping point. Purchases are debited by $80,000. Accounts payable are credited by $80,000.
On August 5th, the company paid $1,500 of freight cost. Freight in cost is debited by $1,500. Cash is credited by $1,500.
On August 13th, the company returned damaged goods and received $8,000 credit. Accounts payable are debited by $8,000. This means the company now owes less for the inventory purchased, since part of inventory was returned to the supplier. Purchase returns and allowances are credited by $8,000.
On August 13th, the company paid the remaining balance within the discount period. Remember the payment terms, which are the following. 2/10, N/30, FOB shipping point. Since payment was done within discount period, which is 10 days, The company is entitled to early payment discount. Discount is 2%. Payment is reduced by 2% and amounts to $70,560. Remember that here for calculation purposes we use remaining balance of accounts payable, which is $72,000. This is due to the fact that although initial accounts payable was $80,000, $8,000 of inventory was returned to the supplier, which reduced accounts payable to $72,000. Discount taken is $1,440, which is 2% of the remaining accounts payable balance. Important to note that freight-in is not discountable.
Now let's record the calculated amounts. Accounts payable is debited by $72,000, which is full balance of remaining accounts payable. Cash is credited by $70,560, which is accounts payable balance, reduced by 2% discount. Purchase discounts are credited by $1,440, which is 2% of the remaining accounts payable balance. This is the last step of this practical problem. Now you are aware how to record purchases, returns of inventory, and early purchase discounts. This is the last step of this practical problem.
Thank you for watching.
Now you are aware how to record
Subscribe
purchases,
to our channel not to
returns
miss
of
new
inventory,
videos.
and early purchase discounts.